Hello LEGO fans, it's me the Mighty Stacker, and today I'm going to review a LEGO farm set, the tractor. That's pretty cool. I've always wanted a tractor set for a while and never quite found one, but I did find one quite a while ago, and now I'm going to review it. This is set number 60287. It's got 148 pieces, 2 minifigures, ages 5 and up. Looks pretty cool. And as you can see on the price tag there that I forgot to take off, it's $19.99. Well, it was when I bought it. This is the front of the box, and this is the back. Looks like the main part of the set is the tractor itself, and you get the farmer and his daughter, as well as a couple hay bales, pumpkins, carrots, an apple, and a little bunny rabbit. That's pretty cute. It's a pretty nice farm set. I've wanted a farm set for a long time. And since it's fall, which is harvest time for the farmers, shout out to the farmers. You guys are cool. So, let's open this up and build it. And here we are, the set itself. It looks really cool. I really liked building it. So let's start with the first thing you get to build. The farmer's daughter. The pigtails and the overalls. Very simple looking printing. Nope, no back face. Next up is this basket of a pumpkin, 2 carrots, and an apple. That's pretty cool. See? And of course, her little pet bunny. Very cute. Next up is the farmer himself. The overalls as well. Simple printing and the double face. That's pretty cool. You get these 2 hay bales as well. Brand new pieces I've never seen before. There we go. Get a better look there. Looks pretty cool. It's 2 flats high, not 3 like the usual blocks. It's pretty cool looking. Get 2 of them. And the set itself, a very cool tractor. It's red, and it comes with this front loader. That's pretty cool. You can see the driver's seat in there. A strobe light on the top. It's got nice wheels. Pretty cool wheels. The ladders on the side to get in. This front grille there. Better look at the scoop. That's pretty cool. Got a exhaust pipe there. The side mirrors. It's pretty cool in my Lego City video game. You actually get to build and fix up a tractor before you drive it. It's part of the story. It's quite fun. Get the tail lights there. That's pretty cool. All in all, it's a nice little farming set. Pretty cool. You can open up the top, take the farmer, and pop him in there. And he's ready to go. That's pretty cool. So, rating the set, For any Lego creator with a farm setup, I recommend this set because it's a nice little addition to the collection. I really like this set. I'm going to say 9 out of 10. It's a pretty cool set. It's very nice. I like it. I'm saying go out and get it, so... Alright. And that's the review. See you next time, LEGO fans. Bye.